Alright guys, welcome to the channel. I got a pork butt right here. I'm going to trim this up, get the fat cap off, most of it. I'm going to season it up. I'm going to throw it on the Yoder YS640. I'm going to do a pulled pork grilled cheese, or you could call it a melt, or whatever you want to call it. That's what it's going to be. So check it out guys, here we go. Alright, just going to get this all dried up, get most of this fat cap off. Obviously you could leave that on there, but I don't think it's necessary. I've always taken it off. And then just trim it up how you like. Got that little gland fat on the side, take that off. I know people are gonna say fat is flavor, but to me this is a bunch of bullshit. You don't even need it. All right, for the seasoning, got a little bit of salt, pepper, coarse ground black peppers in there. I got Cattleman's chili lime rub. I got a bunch of that, so I'm gonna use that on here. All right guys, there it is. Looking good. I'm gonna throw it on the smoker. Got some hickory pellets in there. Got the smokers already heated up. It's already up to like 275, so we're just gonna get this on there. All right. So I think I already said this is probably gonna take about 8 hours. I'm gonna leave this on the smoke for about 5 hours until it gets nice and dark. Just gonna set it right there. Not really gonna even look at this much. I might spritz it a couple times if it looks dry around the edges, but that's pretty much it. So I'll see you when this thing is done. Or when I wrap it up, I'll probably show you guys, I don't know. Obviously this isn't part of the video, I'm just making a little bit of short ribs, grilling them up, little finger food.
Yeah, so I bought some. I was like, "What the fuck is this?" And it,
What up?
no, this.
I
thought he had a different one too. He has an ale, doesn't he?
Alright, it's been 5 hours on the smoke. This went on at noon. It's now 5 o'clock, and it's probably going to go on for another 2.5 to 3 hours. So I'm going to check on it then, and I'll show you guys when I shred it up. Alright, so total cook time is about 7.5 hours. I'm just going to shred this up, and it's been resting for like 20-25 minutes. So I'm going to shred it up, and then I'm going to make that sandwich. So easy sandwich. I got some sourdough bread right here. I don't know, you can't really see that too well. I got some Munster cheese and some sharp cheddar. I'm gonna throw a little bit of onions and cilantro in there. I'm just gonna melt it down like you do a grilled cheese, and it's gonna be good as hell. So that's it, guys. Just a light coating of some mayo. Do the newest one. All right, got a little Munster cheese for that melty action. Pulled pork on there. We don't need to overdo it because if you want more pulled pork, eat another sandwich. Simple as that. Onion and cilantro. We got some cheddar cheese for some actual cheese flavor on there. There you go. Just remember, when you're doing any kind of grilled cheese, go on really low heat because you don't want to burn nothing up. Just take your time and let the cheese melt, and that's all you gotta do. Simple. So there you go, guys. An easy grilled cheese with some pulled pork. Nothing special. I just felt like making it. We're gonna make some tacos too, and I already had some beef short ribs. But anybody want to try? Come on, man. Go. Fuck yeah. I want some too. Oh, that's good. Is it good? I mean, you know. It's been sitting for a little bit. It kind of cooled down a little bit because I took pictures, but still hot, bro. So there you go, guys. Another video in the books. Super easy cook. I just wanted to make a video, so cheers. Have a good one. We're watching WrestleMania. We're a bunch of freaking dorks, but it is what it is. Peace out, guys.